So we're gonna replace the regular box with this one.
Yeah, that one. The
So
stock one.
instead of the stock, wherever it is.
This big ass.
All right. Because there's no point, right? Like
Big ass ugly shit.
this is it
This is all
achieves
we
the
need
same
to run.
purpose, and this runs the car. So there's just an insane amount of work going into this. He's thrashing, man, guys. He's trying. He's trying. It may still happen. He got all the wiring now. He got everything laid out. So we're gonna see.
This is just to spread it so I can see whatever from the cluster, because I'm just using the wiring. No
Okay.
plugs, none of that.
So it's just to run the harness
Just
through.
around the harness. And
Okay.
after that, whatever it's extra, we cut it. We'll put it on eBay for sale.
Okay. Batteries there, wires ran. So we got the power. The tray's already in.
We're gonna run the kill switch today too.
And that's gonna be really cool. So the way that this works is, it's a remote kill switch. So I'll be able to
Relay.
through a relay turn it on and off via remote. So it's here Saturday. Exhaust is completely done, as you guys saw earlier, and so she's almost there, man. Stay tuned. He's thrashing. You know, he got his show on Sunday, so he wants.
You got yours on Saturday.
Hey, I got mine on Saturday, so we're hoping that the beast will come out, because I mean she's the talk of the town right now. Everywhere I go.
Right, easy. This is the cutoff. Look, see? Batteries installed. Terminals are connected. Let's test for power. Nothing. We got no juice. We got no juice. Now, we got this little guy. Turn it off, turn it on. Let's find out now. Ooh, now we got ground, and now we got power. Let's test it over here in the front. Got ground, got power. We don't got anything. Let's try it. Oop. Now we got power. Now we don't. Ready to connect. Wiring is all wrapped up, nice and smooth. Right. Dash switching, it's almost done. Gauges, they're installed. Just need to finish connections. We got ignition. Time for this? Not yet. Stay tuned for the next time that we need to just push this thing.